Hi guys, Mother's Day is coming up on the 15th of March, so join us at 10:30 a.m. or 5 p.m. for our Mother's Day services where we appreciate all our women and what they do. And the women will get a free gift at the end of the service, so come along!
And with a cloud of confusion I can't break through.
Okay, men, this one is specifically for us. The next men's event will be here at Excel on Thursday the 2nd of April, and it will be a men's curry night. Feel free to invite all of your friends, and if you book now, it's only £10 per person, so get on that.
Live this way again. It ends tonight. Am I the only one who's not okay? My mind is feeling like the enemy.
On the 22nd of March from 7 p.m, there'll be late night worship at church after the evening service. It's run by young adults, but everyone can come along.
Something that I can't see, and I think it wants to bury me. Just a gentle Charlotte, it will break through.
Hey guys, so there's a lot happening over Easter. Here's the download. So on Palm Sunday, we're going to start off with the Kingdom Kids dance group. Amazing. They're going to be doing their little thing. Be there. During the week, we're going to have a nice meet-up in Milton Town Centre for a short service. It's also going to be another short service right here. Then on Saturday, we're going to have a lovely walk at County Baggeridge Park. You know, nice little jog with your family. You know, bring everybody along and your friends. And on the Sunday, beautiful Sunday, the Easter service, we're going to end up with baptisms for both services. Guys, be there. It's lovely to commemorate people in their faith. And also, there's the website. If you don't have the information, just go check now.
And that is all for Excel News this week. Don't forget this Wednesday prayer and Bible study, which is being led by Dan on a 2-part series on suffering. Make sure you guys are there. The crown before the cross. Bye!